My home is unwelcoming. How can I fix that? In brief, don't try to copy the interior you liked in a magazine. Customize it and remember that it is personal things that make your home cozy. See more in the video. If the ideas from the video inspire you to change something, you can purchase the furniture and accessories you liked from the links in the pinned comment. Tip 1. Don't turn your home into a catalog picture. Interiors where every item has its own, well-thought-out place are undoubtedly impressive, but often designers fail to make the space cozy. Therefore, when you take a live look at such interiors, you see that they are devoid of individuality, uninhabitable. On the contrary, projects that seem to have minor imperfections or even mistakes become the most successful. A picture on the wall standing out from the overall style, bits and kits left out on the table as if by chance, inharmonious tableware, all this stuff makes a house really cozy. Keep a sense of proportion. Style shouldn't be more important than utility, and vice versa. A cluttered room with every free shelf being stuffed with figurines and bright vases looks just as uncomfortable as a half-empty one. A simple example. A coffee table in the living room is always so perfectly clean that it looks bare. But if you put a pot with flowers or a stack of your favorite books on it, it will come to life. Thus, you'll keep it functional and make the room more cozy. But if you arrange carefully selected items on the same table, which perfectly match the overall design, you'll get just a beautiful picture, which will look great in the photo. But nothing more. You can forget about its utility. You won't even dare to put a cup of coffee on it, so as to not accidentally splash the drink on all this beauty. Tip 2. Add cute bits and kits. A cozy interior reflects the owner's habits and character. Sometimes it's enough to add things that mean something to you to transform the space. Don't worry if they don't match the overall design. Here are a few simple examples. Don't rush to remove stupid magnets you brought from vacation from the fridge. They won't ruin the overall kitchen style, but will remind you about the sunny days. Put an old granny's figurine or a carved casket to the fore. This stuff often creates that very coziness. Add handmade items. These can be a soft toy, a poster with your favorite quote, or a panel that you and your child made from seashells you brought from the sea. Remember, it is things with a story that create a homely feeling, not decorative items, even the carefully chosen ones that match style, shape and color. Tip 3. Consider all the aspects. Tactile sensation and scents influence perception as well. Knitted plates, textured bedspreads, and soft floor mats will make even an austere, minimalist interior warm and cozy. Objects made of natural wood will produce a similar effect, from furniture to picture and photo frames. Scented candles or sticks will help to create an atmosphere in the house. These accessories are available in a huge range. You can even buy candles with a freshly baked bread aroma. Due to their attractive design, such interior candles will become another decoration. Thanks for watching. Check out other videos with the ideas for interior and click the bell button to stay in touch. You will find links to the furniture and accessories you liked below the video. Have a cozy home and embrace the changes.